Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Keto Meal Prep Cookbook is probably one of the most sought-after resources for individuals embracing the ketogenic diet, offering a convenient and effective way to manage your meals and stay on track with your weight loss or health goals. This cookbook provides a wide variety of delicious and nutritious keto-friendly recipes, making it easier than ever to plan and prepare your meals ahead of time, saving you valuable time and effort throughout the week while ensuring you consistently meet your dietary needs. Number 5. FlavCity Keto Meal Prep. It can be tough to stick to a keto diet. Many recipes lack flavor. But what if it didn't have to be that way? This cookbook is packed with over 125 low-carb recipes that actually taste good. Say goodbye to boring keto meals. Each recipe is easy to follow, even for beginners. You'll be whipping up delicious keto meals in no time. Many recipes are also allergy-friendly, making it easier to find something that works for you. It's perfect for those with dietary restrictions. It's time to make keto enjoyable. This cookbook will help you create delicious and satisfying meals that support your keto lifestyle. Download your copy now and discover a world of flavor and convenience. It's the key to keto success. What we like. It boasts a wide variety of delicious recipes, catering to various dietary needs. If you're seeking tasty and allergy-conscious keto options, this cookbook is perfect for you. This cookbook is your best bet for flavorful and inclusive keto meal prepping. What people say. The book gets away from the same old standard keto recipes and gives you lots of flavorful, easy-to-execute recipes. The book is chock full of new recipes versus redacted versions of same old recipes like many of the keto cookbooks seem to have. Each recipe has a picture and macros for each element, which is fantastic. The pictures are downright gorgeous and a big reason why I got this cookbook. Number 4. Keto Meal Prep Cookbook. Welcome to the world of keto. This cookbook is your guide to easy and delicious ketogenic meals. Let's embark on this exciting culinary adventure together. It's filled with 600 simple and basic recipes, perfect for beginners. You'll find that making delicious keto meals is easier than you think. Discover a wide variety of recipes to keep your keto journey interesting and satisfying. There's something for everyone in this comprehensive cookbook. This cookbook focuses on meal prepping, making it simple to stay on track with your diet. Save time and enjoy healthy, delicious keto meals all week long. Whether you're new to keto or just looking for some fresh ideas, this cookbook is your perfect companion. It's designed to make your keto lifestyle easier and more enjoyable. Don't wait any longer to start your keto journey. This cookbook provides all the tools and recipes you need to succeed. What we like. This cookbook offers an extensive collection of straightforward recipes, ideal for those new to keto. If you are a beginner and looking for simple keto recipes, this is the one for you. Its ease of use makes it perfect for beginners navigating the keto lifestyle. What people say. Very good educational cookbook for keto beginners and ongoing. I bought this book and the amount of recipes is impressive. You can find recipes for about everything you crave in this book. The recipes are easy to follow and fast to cook, so that's a huge plus for busy people that don't have a lot of time to prep and cook. So many recipes to choose from. There are tons of recipes for chicken, pork and beef option meals, and most with max 6 to 8 net carbs and so many with even less. The dessert and snack options are fabulous and super low net carbs. Number 3. Healthy Meal Prep Cookbook. This cookbook is your guide to preparing healthy and delicious meals with ease. Learn how to plan, cook, and store meals that fit your busy lifestyle. It simplifies meal planning, providing you with a variety of recipes and strategies to make healthy eating convenient. Say goodbye to last-minute meal decisions. Discover a collection of wholesome recipes that are both nutritious and satisfying. Each recipe is designed to be easy to follow and delicious to eat. Learn time-saving techniques for prepping ingredients and assembling meals in advance. It's perfect for busy professionals or anyone who wants to simplify their weeknight dinners. It offers recipes that are perfect for packing lunches or grabbing a quick and healthy meal on the go. Enjoy healthy eating no matter how busy you are. It's filled with recipes that are not only healthy but also incredibly tasty. You'll discover new favorites and enjoy delicious, nutritious meals every day. What we like. It focuses on creating healthy and convenient meals perfect for busy lifestyles. If you value quick and healthy meal options, this cookbook is a great choice. Its emphasis on ease and wholesomeness makes it ideal for those with limited time. What people say. What I did not expect was to find a book full of truly tasty recipes that are easy and relatively inexpensive to make. The flavors have not disappointed either of us, and I still feel that I'm eating healthy food. The recipes in the book are so simple that making them gets faster and faster each time. The ingredients are also simple. I didn't have to buy anything out of the ordinary for these recipes. Number 2. Weight Loss Meal Prep. Losing weight can be a challenge, but it doesn't have to be. This program provides you with the tools and resources you need to succeed. Each week, it offers a structured meal plan, making healthy eating easy and convenient. No more guesswork or complicated recipes. It's packed with delicious and healthy recipes that will keep you satisfied and motivated. Say goodbye to boring diet food. It helps you manage your portions effectively, ensuring you're eating the right amount of food for your weight loss goals. It's all about balance. With consistent use, it will help you achieve your weight loss goals in a healthy and sustainable way. Start your journey today. It includes a handy grocery list to make shopping a breeze. Everything you need is right there, organized and ready to go. It saves you valuable time and effort by providing pre-planned meals and recipes. Spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying life. What we like. This cookbook provides structured weekly plans designed for weight loss. If you're aiming for weight loss through healthy eating, this is your go-to resource. Its organized approach and focus on healthy recipes make weight management easier. What people say. With a focus on efficiency, this book empowers readers to prepare nutritious meals in batches, alleviating the stress of daily cooking and allowing you to enjoy healthy options throughout the week. The meal plans are well organized and infused with a Mediterranean and Dash diet focus, offering diverse, flavorful recipes like cinnamon roasted sweet potatoes and crunchy rainbow salad that are both satisfying and easy to execute. Each recipe comes with nutritional information, ensuring you know exactly what you're putting on your plate. The included shopping lists and tips on food storage and reheating make sticking to your goals even easier. Number 1. Keto for carb lovers. Are you ready to embrace a healthier lifestyle? This program provides you with over 100 delicious low-carb, high-fat recipes and a 21-day meal plan to make your ketogenic journey easier and more enjoyable. It's filled with a wide variety of recipes to keep you satisfied and on track. Say goodbye to boring meals and hello to exciting culinary adventures. These recipes are designed to be both delicious and satisfying, ensuring you won't feel deprived on your ketogenic journey. You'll discover new favorites. The included 21-day meal plan takes the guesswork out of meal prepping. It's a structured guide to help you stay consistent and achieve your goals. This planner is your ultimate companion, guiding you step by step through the process. It simplifies the keto diet and makes it manageable. It provides all the tools and resources you need to succeed. With this program, you'll be well on your way to a healthier, happier you. What we like. It offers a comprehensive plan with numerous recipes and a structured 21-day meal plan. If you need guidance and support on your keto journey, this cookbook is an excellent companion. The structured plan and extensive recipes make it perfect for those seeking a guided keto experience. What people say. Every recipe I have made has gotten a thumbs up. Very satisfying and flavorful. The ingredients are easy to find, budget-friendly, and recipes quick and easy with results that taste like they took much more time. Cooking instructions are very clear, ingredients are standard, not hard to find. Everything I've tried so far has been flavorful and easy to make. This is a nice quality book. The spiral binding allows it to lay flat on the counter, and the pages are heavy, glossy. This book is pricey, but those magazines in the grocery stores labeled keto for $13.99, and filled with so many advertisements. I've had this book for 3 days and I've eaten mostly all that you see in the Pix Plus protein and I feel really good and still maintained my weight. I'm going to test every recipe. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.